Everyone, this is Sudipto. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel. Let's get started with another video. Today I will be describing how you can zip or unzip any documents, files or folders in Mac. Okay. Uh, okay, let's get started with this video. So I have already opened this folder and I have two files. It's just to screenshot of LinkedIn icon. So I have two files. Now I'll show you how I will be zipping these two files into one in Mac. So I just select both this file and then I click on top of this and the right click, and then there is one option which says compress two items. So if I click on this compress two items option, what it will do, basically it will compress these two files and create a new zip file. Okay, let's hit this option. Okay, so you got another file which is archive.zip. That is basically the zip file which contains screenshot 1 and screenshot 2. So both these two files are now inside this archive.zip. So it's very simple. This is how you zip any file, or it could be any folder. You can so I selected only file, right? You could select file plus folder or just a folder, anything. It will work as the same the way I have shown you. Trust me. Next one, I'll be showing how you can unzip this file and then read the documents, right? That is the next steps. So to unzip any zip file in Mac, it's again very simple. What you just need to do is basically just double click on that file. So Mac will automatically unzip it. When you will double click, Mac will automatically unzip it and make those documents available for you to read. Okay, let's go ahead and just double click or just open this archive.zip file. So I am going to double click it. See, it took some time, and then unzip that folder, archive folder, and it creates a new folder called archive, and inside that archive folder I have my documents. So both the screenshots are now inside the archive folder. So that is how Mac has unzipped this archive.zip file and create a new folder and keep those documents over there. So yeah, this is how you typically we do zip and unzip activity in Mac. You can try out. It's very simple, right? Yeah, so that's all in this video. The next video probably I will show you guys how to unzip or how to compress one RAR file. So how we can do that. Okay, stay tuned. In the next video we will be discussing on that. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you. And if you are enjoying this video, whatever video that I am sharing in this channel, please subscribe my channel and like those videos. That will motivate me to share more and more video and more good content. Thank you. Thanks for your support.